I'd respectfully suggest that possibly because it works as a distraction. You're all here today asking me about Ireland's position. What about Israel's actions? What about what Netanyahu is doing to the innocent children of Gaza? This is the diplomacy of distraction. And I think it is deeply regrettable that they took that decision. They have every right to take that decision to close the embassy. I'd rather it didn't happen. We will continue to engage diplomatically. But nobody's going to silence Ireland. I believe in freedom of speech and people are entitled to articulate their views, but they're not entitled to have an alternative set of facts. What's happening in the Middle East, what's happening in Gaza is extraordinarily serious. I mean, Ireland's position has been clear on this from day one. We want to see the release of all hostages, absolutely. We condemned the horrific terrorist attack by Hamas on Israel, 100%, absolutely a horrific terrorist attack. But we also know that there are innocent children who are dying, who are being maimed, who are suffering in a way that I'm not sure the whole world can yet even fully comprehend until we see and get into Gaza. There is humanitarian aid that isn't not just not flowing, it's actually getting worse. I mean, there are reports from UN agencies that show not only did the situation not improve in recent times, it significantly disimproved.